Learn English conversation. Discovering beautiful Canada. Conversation 1. Planning a trip to Canada. Hi, Molika. I heard you're from Canada. Is that true?
Yes, that's right. I'm from Vancouver, Canada. Have you ever been to Canada?
No, I haven't, but I really want to visit. I've seen so many beautiful pictures. Can you tell me about Canada?
Of course. Canada is an amazing country. It's the second largest country in the world.
Wow, that's huge. What's the weather like in Canada?
Well, it depends on the season and the region. In winter, it's very cold with lots of snow. But summer is beautiful and warm.
I love snow. What are the most beautiful places in Canada?
Oh, there are so many! Let me tell you about some of my favorites.
Conversation 2. Famous Canadian landmarks.
First, there's Niagara Falls. It's one of the most famous waterfalls in the world.
I've heard about Niagara Falls. Is it really that beautiful?
It's absolutely breathtaking. The water is so powerful and the view is incredible. Millions of people visit every year.
That sounds amazing. What else is famous in Canada?
The Rocky Mountains. They're in Western Canada, and they're absolutely stunning.
What can you do in the Rocky Mountains?
You can go hiking, skiing, camping, and see beautiful lakes. Lake Louise is especially famous for its turquoise blue water.
Turquoise blue water? That must be so beautiful. I'd love to see that.
You should. It's like a postcard. The mountains reflect in the water. It's magical.
Conversation 3. Canadian cities. What about the cities? Which Canadian cities should I visit?
Toronto is Canada's largest city. It has the CN Tower, which is very tall and famous.
How tall is the CN Tower?
It's 553 meters tall. You can go up to the observation deck and see the whole city.
That sounds exciting. What about other cities?
Vancouver, where I'm from, is beautiful. It's surrounded by mountains and ocean. The scenery is incredible.
Mountains and ocean? That's perfect.
Yes, you can go skiing in the mountains in the morning and visit the beach in the afternoon.
That's amazing. What about Montreal?
Montreal is wonderful. It's in Quebec and many people speak French there. It has European charm with beautiful old buildings.
I'd love to practice my French. What other cities do you recommend?
Ottawa is Canada's capital city. It has beautiful government buildings and museums. In winter, the Rideau Canal becomes the world's largest ice skating rink.
You can skate on a canal? That's so cool.
Yes, it's really fun. And there's also Quebec City, which looks like a fairy tale with its old European architecture.
Conversation 4. Canadian wildlife. I heard Canada has a lot of wildlife. Is that true?
Absolutely. Canada has amazing wildlife. You can see bears, moose, elk, wolves, and many other animals.
Bears? That sounds a little scary.
Don't worry. If you're careful and respect nature, it's safe. Black bears and grizzly bears live in the forests and mountains.
What about moose? Are they dangerous?
Moose are very large and can be dangerous if you get too close, but from a safe distance, they're beautiful to watch.
What other animals live in Canada?
Beavers, they're Canada's national animal. They're very cute and build amazing dams and rivers.
I'd love to see a beaver. What about birds?
Canada has many beautiful birds. You can see eagles, loons, and in some areas, even puffins on the coast.
Puffins, they're so adorable. Conversation 5. Canadian nature and parks. Does Canada have national parks?
Yes, Canada has 48 national parks, and they're all beautiful. Banff National Park is the most famous.
What makes Banff National Park special?
Banff has stunning mountains, glaciers, forests, and lakes. It's in the Rocky Mountains, and the scenery is absolutely magnificent.
Are there other beautiful parks?
Yes, Jasper National Park is also incredible. It has hot springs, waterfalls, and you can see the northern lights there in winter.
Northern Lights! I've always wanted to see those.
They're magical. Green and purple lights dancing in the sky. It's unforgettable.
Where else can you see Northern Lights in Canada?
Yukon and Northwest Territories are great places. They're in northern Canada where the lights are very strong.
What about forests? Does Canada have big forests?
Canada has huge forests. In fact, Canada has about 30% of the world's forests. The trees are so tall and beautiful.
Conversation 6. Canadian seasons. You mentioned seasons earlier. Tell me more about Canadian seasons.
Canada has 4 distinct seasons, and each one is beautiful in its own way.
What's spring like?
Spring is lovely. The snow melts, flowers bloom, and baby animals are born. Everything comes back to life.
That sounds nice. What about summer?
Summer is wonderful. It's warm and sunny. People go to lakes, have barbecues, go camping, and enjoy outdoor activities.
How hot does it get?
It depends on the region. In some places, it can reach 25-30 degrees Celsius. Perfect weather.
What's fall like in Canada?
Fall is spectacular. The leaves change color to red, orange, and yellow. It's called fall foliage, and it's absolutely gorgeous.
I've seen pictures. It looks like the whole country turns into a painting.
Exactly. September and October are the best months to see the colorful leaves.
And winter? Is it very cold?
Yes, winter can be very cold, especially in central and eastern Canada. Temperatures can drop to 30 degrees Celsius.
That's freezing! But I guess that's good for winter sports?
Yes, Canadians love winter sports. Skiing, snowboarding, ice skating, ice hockey, and snowshoeing are very popular.
Conversation 7. Canadian culture and food. What about Canadian culture? What should I know?
Canadians are known for being very friendly and polite. People often say sorry, even when it's not necessary.
Really? That's interesting.
Yes, And Canadians are multicultural. People from all over the world live in Canada, so you can experience many different cultures.
What about Canadian food? What should I try?
You must try poutine. It's French fries with gravy and cheese curds. It's delicious.
That sounds good. What else?
Maple syrup. Canada produces most of the world's maple syrup. It's sweet and perfect on pancakes.
I love maple syrup. What other foods are Canadian?
Butter tarts, Nanaimo bars, Montreal-style bagels, and smoked salmon from the Pacific coast.
My mouth is watering. What about Tim Hortons? I've heard about it.
Yes, Tim Hortons is a famous Canadian coffee and donut shop. It's everywhere in Canada. You should try their coffee and Timbits.
Timbits? What are those?
They're small donut holes. They come in different flavors and they're delicious.
Conversation 8. Best time to visit Canada. When is the best time to visit Canada?
It depends on what you want to do.
I want to see beautiful nature and maybe do some hiking.
Then summer is perfect. June, July, and August have the best weather for outdoor activities.
What if I want to see the northern lights?
Winter is better for northern lights. December to March are the best months.
And if I want to see the fall colors?
Visit in late September or October. The fall foliage is at its peak then.
What about winter sports?
December to March is great for skiing and snowboarding. The mountains have lots of snow.
Conversation, planning the trip. I really want to visit Canada now. How long should I stay?
Canada is so big. I'd recommend at least 2 weeks to see the main attractions.
What would be a good itinerary?
You could start in Toronto, visit Niagara Falls, then go to Montreal and Quebec City. After that, fly to Vancouver and explore the Rocky Mountains.
That sounds perfect. Is it expensive to travel in Canada?
It can be, but there are ways to save money. Hostels and Airbnb are cheaper than hotels, and there are many free activities like hiking and visiting parks.
Do I need a visa to visit Canada?
It depends on your country. Many countries need either a visa or an ETA, electronic travel authorization.
What about language? Do I need to speak French?
Most Canadians speak English. In Quebec, French is more common, but many people speak English too. You'll be fine.
This is so helpful. Thank you, Molika.
You're welcome, Smith. Canada is truly beautiful. I think you'll love it.
I'm so excited. I'm going to start planning my trip right away.
Great. If you have any questions about Canada, just ask me.
Thank you. You've made me even more excited to visit Canada.
I'm happy to help. Have a wonderful trip when you go. Thank you for watching Discover Canada. You've just learned about one of the world's most beautiful countries while practicing English conversation. Did you enjoy this journey through Canada? Please like, subscribe, and comment which place you want to visit. Thank you for learning with us. See you in the next video. Happy learning.